Hi guys, it's Lewis here from Experience Energy Solutions, and I'm here to talk to you about a brand new channel that we're looking at launching for the business. This is going to be the launch of our brand new sub-broker channel. This is going to be open to any businesses or individuals that either operate currently as a broker and need further support in terms of a wider supplier network, or for anybody that has some energy experience and simply wants to come and speak with us about having this as an additional work channel for themselves. Or if you're just simply looking at some support in terms of marketing, this is very much something that we are looking at pushing and supporting you all with. We have well over 30 years experience within the energy sector, within the business, and this is something that we'd love to share out amongst our upcoming new sub-broker network. So if you are interested in hearing more, do please feel free to get in touch on the below details. And we'll very much look forward to hearing from you.